Explains
Clear.
everything.
Spring.
I see him like
People
turning around.
playing.
I see him turning around and like running. And I'm like, bro. Like by the time he gets to the bomb, he's like half health already.
Can we pull, please? Okay, thanks, Hunter.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I'll
he
stun,
did
I'll
it.
stun.
I have to bubble.
AoE.
Fucking hell. Man.
AoE.
Watch your
Move.
step.
AoE. Move. AoE.
This is very bad.
AoE.
Yeah, we can't do anything.
I have
Watch
no
your step.
wings, and
Move.
I'm gonna blow.
Watch
Move.
your step.
Okay, use persons if you have.
I already
AoE.
did.
Dot. AoE. AoE. AoE.
Watch
I
your
have to
step.
put my
AoE.
fucking cooldown for
AoE.
this.
Move.
Watch
Move.
your step.
It's okay. We do what we can.
AoE. AoE.
Oh, big one.
Debuff. Dot. AoE. AoE. AoE.
Watch your step.
I might be dead.
Watch your step.
Nope.
Oh my god. Fuck off!
AoE. Affix. AoE. AoE.
But what the fuck is going on?
That pull from Hunter fucked us.
AoE. Clear.
Bro, how are we still alive?
I don't know.
AoE.
I don't fucking know, man. And this
Feel
tank
for-
is a really man.
Ah, this
He's
is
a big man.
like something special.
Oh my god. Okay, I have no cooldowns for the boss.
Neither
Watch your
Allah.
step.